to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, September 11th, 2024.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons.
Today is September 11th, a tragic but important day.
On this day in 2001, 2,996 people lost their lives.
Now, a moment of silence.
Now on to the announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!